like a Hellcat.
What's kicking, YouTube family? So we are back on our healthy eating tips. It's gonna be episode 2. Episode 2 is overnight oats. So right now it's Sunday night. Tomorrow's my first day at my internship. I'm gonna wanna make sure that I have a meal ready to go when I wake up. That way, in case I sleep in and oversleep just a little bit, I won't be rushed and have to skip a meal. So overnight oats recipe, what you guys are gonna need ingredient wise is low-fat milk or almond milk. You're gonna need your oats right here. I use the Quaker oats because they're the OG brand. You're gonna need bananas. So right here we've got, you want 1/3 cup of sliced bananas. We're gonna need some blueberries. You want half a cup of blueberries, so let's go ahead and just measure those out real quick. So try not to spill. I already spilled a little bit, but we got our half cup right there. All right, and then you also want a little bit of honey. We're using about a tablespoon. We're gonna eyeball that one. So first thing, get your desired cup or glass. I'm using a mason jar because I feel it works best. So we're using a half cup of oats. You're gonna pour into the mason jar. After you pour in that half cup, you are then using a half cup of milk. So let's go ahead and measure that baby out in that same measuring cup. So we've got our half cup of milk. I'm using low, like 1% milk. Really doesn't matter what you use as long as you've got milk or almond milk, something like that, cashew milk. I don't know any other types of milk. Soy milk, is that one? Yeah? All right, after we get there, honey. So we only need 1 tablespoon. It's about 1 squeeze. So let's go ahead and toss that baby in. Someone threw my honey in the fridge, so it's gonna take a little bit more to get the honey out. So we're gonna be squeezing, shaking a little bit. Just point of reference, do not put your honey in the fridge. Whoever does that, my dad, is crazy. You should not put honey in the fridge because then it's way too hard to get out of the bottle. So let's go ahead and get that part out. Got a little bit on my finger. We got our taste test. All right, honey all over my chin, but we're good to go. After the honey, add in the blueberries. So we're pouring in the blueberries, nice and slow, making sure we get all of them in there. So after we get those blueberries in, we got the banana slices. Oh, almost got it in. Missing a little bit. Okay. Now, seal the lid nice and tight. From here, we're going to toss this bad baby in the fridge. Overnight, those oats are gonna soak up that milk. Everything's gonna blend in very well. It's gonna be a great snack in the morning. So I'm gonna catch up with you guys in the morning, and then we'll see how the snack turned out. So, good night, family, and I will see you in 3, 2, and... What is up, YouTube? So, we're now in the morning. We are gonna check on those overnight oats that we made last night. I am getting ready for my first day at my internship, so I'm very excited. Glad I made this good little snack before last night. That way I would not be crunched on time. Let's go ahead and give this a taste test. So, right here, I'm gonna go ahead and drop that video down. Let's grab out our spoon. Open up our mason jar. Go ahead, scoop it on up. Bone apple frite. That is really good. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.